you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. Still on WAEC 2025 for school candidate. This is further mathematics, paper 2, May June section B. With us here is question 13. Further mathematics is the same as elective mathematics. Let's consider this question 13. Question 13 reads: an association is made up of 10 journalists and 9 engineers. If a committee of 4 members is to be formed from the association, we are asked to find the probability that it will be consist of at least 2 engineers, that's A, B, 75% journalists, C, odd numbers of engineers. First thing to do is to identify this question is from which topic. Of course, this is from combination involving probability. Let's consider this question. Let's write down the solution. That's solution to A now. The condition here is we are forming 4 members. 4 members are to be formed. That's the condition. With at least 2 engineers. At least 2 means from 2 and above. That's 2, 3, or 4. This will be the possible option. So let's look at, but before we do that, let's find the total members. Total members in the association. How many people do we have? That will be 10 plus 9. That is 19. We have 19 people in that association. If there is no restriction, we can pick this 4 out of this 19. So it will be, that's total sample space now. Total sample space, because this is probability, total sample space will be equals to 19 combination 4. This will be 3, 8, 7, 6. So this will be the total sample space if there is no restriction. But let's move now. At least 2. So there is restriction now. At least that's the condition. At least 2. So let's look at the possible option. Option 1, we can pick 2 out of 9 engineers multiplied by 2 out of 10 journalists. Option 2, we can pick 3 out of 9 engineers, then meaning we have to pick 1 journalist. Option 3, that's or. Let's put or here. Or we can pick 4 engineers, meaning we're not picking any journalist. So these are the 4 possible options. 3 possible options rather, or addition. So let's resolve this. And whatever we have, we will say to be the probability of picking at least 2 engineers. Okay? Permit me to clean this part of the question. Let me clean up to this part. So let's resolve this. First option, we have 9 combination 2 times 10 combination 2 plus 9 combination 3 times 10 combination 1 plus 9 combination 4 times 10 combination 0. Let's resolve this. 9 combination, let's use our calculator. That will be 36. Multiplied by 10 combination 2, of course, is 45. Let's check. 10 combination 2, 45 plus 9 combination 3, that's 84, times 10 combination 1 is 10 plus 9 combination 4, that's 126, times 10 combination 0, of course, will be 1. Next thing to do is to multiply before we add. 36 times 45, that will be 1620 plus 84 plus 126. What will be the solution? Plus 84 plus 126. That will be 2586. This will be the required outcomes. We know our total possible outcome as 3876. Finally, the probability now. Let me clean here. The probability now of find the probability of at least 2 engineers. The probability of at least 2 engineers will be the required outcome, which is 2586 386 divided by 3876. We can reduce this. Let's leave it as decimal 76. That will be 0.66 then 72. This will be the solution. Let's still check. Uh, 2586 divided by 3876. That will be 0.6672 to 4 decimal. So this will say to be the solution to question A, or solution to A rather. That's 0.6672 or 2586 divided by 3876. Permit me to clean this so that we can move to B. Solution to B now. Very important. 75% journalists. So let's find 75%, which is 75 divided by 100 of the 4 members. This will be 300 divided by 10 divided by 100, that will be 3. So meaning we have 3 journalists. Now 75% of journalists is the same as saying 3 journalists. So if you are picking 3 journalists, we have to pick 1 engineer. So the possible ways now will be 10 combination 3, that's 3 out of 10 journalists multiplied by 1 out of 1 out of 9 rather engineers. What do we have? 10 combination 3, that will be 120 times 9 combination 1 is 9. Let's multiply. Times 9, that will be 1080. So this will be the required possible outcome. So the probability now, probability of 75 journalists will be 1080 divided by 3876. Let's reduce it. Divided by 3876. Let's still do it. 108 divided by 3876. We have 0.2786. So this will be the probability to B. The probability will be 1080 divided by 3876 or 0.2786. We can leave our answer as a fraction. Whether we reduce this to its lowest time or leave it as a decimal, 0.2786. So this will say to be the solution to B. Let's move to C, odd numbers of engineer, odd numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 members. The odd number here are what? Odd numbers. Odd numbers of engineer. Engineers will be 1 or 3. So if you are picking 1 engineer, meaning we have to pick 3 journalists. So let's look at the possible option. This is solution to C. Option 1, we can pick 1 out of 9 engineers. It means we have to pick 3 out of 10 journalists. That's option 1. Option 2, we have to pick 3 out of 9 engineers, meaning we have to pick 1 out of 10 journalists. So this is all because we have to add. So let's resolve this. 9 combination 1 will be 9 plus times rather. 10 combination 3, that will be 120 plus, all means in probability is addition. 9 combination 3, that will be 84 times 10 combination 1 is 10. Let's add 9 times 120, 1080 plus 840. What do we have? Plus 840. We have 1920. So this will be the required outcomes. And the total possible outcome is 3876. It's the same thing, all true. Finally, the probability now of picking odd numbers of engineers will be probability now of odd numbers of engineers. It will be the required outcomes, which is 1920 divided by 3876. We can reduce this or let's leave it as a decimal. Divided by 3876. what do we have? 0.4954 to 4 decimal. So this will be the probability. As I said, we can reduce this fraction to its lowest term and leave our answer as a fraction or as a decimal fraction. 0.4954. So this will serve to be the solution to C. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to TJ Smart's Clinic for more interesting videos. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. See you in my next video, God's willing, with question 14 and 15. Thank you for coming.